Hi, I'm Anne Imanuel, and I was just sitting on my front porch actually doing some of the modules for Transform when I saw an email come in for me to sign up for something called Melt on Demand. And so I wanted to find out what that was all about, and this is what I've learned. I wanted to tell you about it. It says it's a gentle self-care technique that can help you with mobility, stability, and performance. I also read it's clinically proven to reduce pain while restoring overall well-being. Interesting. So this sounds like a total bonus to me. This comes included with the Transform program. I had no idea that this was something that's included. So we get access to weekly Melt classes that are hosted exclusively for the Transform program, and we get access to Melt on Demand, which is what I got the email about to sign up for. You get 2 free complimentary months of Melt on Demand. So that lets you stream the whole Melt library. So I just logged on. This is my first time on. I don't know if you can see it, but I experience mainly pain in my hands and wrists. So there's a search bar up here. This is my first few minutes of being on here, so bear with me. In the search bar, I just typed wrists, and all these videos come up that are supposed to help you with wrist pain. And there's 4 pages that you can go through. So I'm pretty excited to check this out. I definitely want to do a live class or several live classes, and absolutely I'm going to take advantage of Melt on Demand. I did not realize that you get complimentary access to this with the Transform program, but it makes sense. Restoring overall well-being really goes hand in hand with what Dr. Maggie's trying to do. So you also get shipments. The email said expect to get some shipments of Melt equipment. So when I get that, maybe I'll do an unboxing and let you know what's inside.